Hello everybody, it's Becky here at Aunt Beck's Creations again, and I'm in the Tool Using Primates workshop, our garage, and I thought I'd come and just do a video and then I can go back in the house and upload it. So he's in getting cooled off. So I'm going to just pan over it. This is all built from scrap we had on hand, and we're going to stain it with a wood stain, but it's more like paint. And I have some leftover green, so this one's going to be stained green. And if I remember right, he said this is about 80 inches tall, and each of the shelves are between 11 and 12 inches apart, maybe 10 to 12. But that's okay, because some books are a little bit taller than others, right? So all of this was scraps, and on the header and the footer, he just cut out this V shape here. I think he did that on the table saw. You know, just cut it at an angle. And he was busy working on scraping off the glue that had oozed out of joints, and then he's filled the holes where he did the brads, because this is a little piece added on, and he just popped it on with brads, and it's glued as well. So this is going to be for my gardening books, and it'll be green. And get up here, and I did post some pictures. And I will finally have a place to put my plant that lives by the kitchen sink, because I'm going to get a dish that'll fit in there, like a glass cake baking pan, and then I could put the plant on top of this, so it'll be off my kitchen counter, and it'll have a place that the cats can't necessarily get into. So this is the top of it. And it's 80 inches tall to the floor. And I'm really tickled with it. And we're going to build more of these, so we can do like a by the subject. Each shelving unit like this, I'll be a subject. Like this is gardening. And then we'll have one maybe for sewing and one for art, books. And that way I can get everything organized, and it will make me so happy. Because having everything jumbled and mixed up is making me insane a bit as far as the books go. And we'll see how this progresses. Again, this was just built with things we had laying around, like up in the rafters. You know, we've got all this odds and end wood that we figured we might as well put to use. And he's got some plywood over there that he bought for other projects that weren't really getting done, so we said we'll just use the material we have, and repurchase whatever we need for the projects they were meant for later. This was a quick project, but it's taken a couple weekends. It's not like we can work steady out here. It's currently like 95 degrees, so I'm starting to sweat, so that's why we take breaks and go back in the house. And that is all I had to share. I just wanted to do a better video than the live. I just don't pick up live out here very well. So there you go.